Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy SEC championship game day. I'm so nervous. Last year when Texas was in the Big 12 championship against Oklahoma State, I just wasn't. I wasn't nervous at all. Very nervous for today. I mean, Atlanta's basically home for Georgia, so we will see. We've just been having a chill morning. We've been relaxing. I feel like my body does not let me sleep in anymore. I mean, we were home at a reasonable time. The party started at 5. I think we got home, I don't know, 10:30. So it wasn't like we were up super late, but I still did not sleep in. But it was actually really nice. I woke up, Sam was still asleep. So I just went and sat on the couch with my coffee and read my book, cuddled with Charley, looked at the Christmas tree, and it was just it was so relaxing. It was so relaxing. And then we've just been hanging out, watching game day. My mom is gonna bring Lila back home to us in a little bit. Soon, she said soon, 20 minutes ago. So I don't know what her ETA is, truthfully, but she'll be here soon. So I just took a quick shower so that I felt like I could go throughout the day. I also got the laundry in. The laundry I've been putting off for days, that I put in this morning, so that feels good. My goal was at least to have it done in the dryer by the time Lila went down for her nap so that I could fold the clothes while she was napping. That's the plan. We're gonna keep hanging out, watching game day, playing, lunch, all the things, and then when she goes down for her nap, I will fold the laundry, get ready for the game, and pack up all our stuff so we're all ready to go to the game watch today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tea advent calendar. I'm debating because I don't know that I wanna if Lila is here soon and I'm trying to drink a hot cup of tea. So we'll see. I may not make it until she goes down for her nap, but I wanted to open it now in case I wanted it now. I do want it. Sorry you have to listen to and watch me think things through. Okay, day 7. Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious. I do really want this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it, and if she gets here and I still have it, I'm gonna do my best. But I probably will make more than 1 cup of this. I'm gonna make it. If you didn't read or you're listening, it says chocolate caramel black tea. Oh my gosh. I really am probably gonna make this now and also make another cup later on. Use the same tea bag. I literally sat down on the couch with my tea and my mom texted me that they were on their way. So I'm gonna enjoy this for a couple of minutes before it's back into mom mode, but it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's the best one so far. I mean, it's a little too hot. It needs to cool down a bit. It's gonna be the perfect temperature right when they walk in the door. But this is definitely a good one. This tea advent calendar has for sure been a win. So, okay, quickly, while my tea is too hot to enjoy before they get here, I thought I would quickly tell y'all the story. Some of you have probably heard it before, of how my husband and I met, because we did both go to the University of Texas. We are both from Texas originally. I grew up in San Antonio, and then we moved to the suburbs of Chicago right before I started high school. So I did go to high school here in the suburbs of Chicago, but then I went back to Texas for college. My husband grew up in Houston and then went to Texas. We did not meet at school. We're a year apart. Well, we're 6 months apart in life. We're a year apart in school. And so we did not meet at school. We both separately graduated and moved to New York, and we were at a alumni event, a New York Texas X's. That's our alumni group, the name of it. It was actually a chili cook-off. Sam always wants me to clarify that. In New York City. And that is where we met. We had mutual friends that our groups just sort of merged together. One of my sorority sisters worked with one of his fraternity brothers. And so our groups kind of merged at the event, and we ended up chatting, and the rest is history. That was 8.5 years ago. Sometimes I'm it feels like it was forever, and sometimes I'm how has it actually been that long? But anyway, so we are both big Texas fans, which is it's the best. It's just absolutely the best. I feel like it's a good time to reminisce a little bit. So Lila was born 3 weeks early. She came the day before the season started last year. So we watched game 1. First off, highly recommend bringing an Apple TV, Fire Stick, whatever, to the hospital with you. Especially if it's during football season or sports season and you're a sports fan. Anyway, so we plugged that into the TV in the in the hospital room. And we watched game 1 of the season in the hospital room last year. And then most of the games we watched at home. We did not take our little newborn to the game watch parties until the Big 12 championship. She was 3 months old. We felt like, okay, this is the right time for us. Let's go. And we went to the game watch with our little 3-month-old to watch the Big 12 championship. And she's been a couple times this season, and it's just, I don't know, it's the best. I love like raising our little Longhorn together. So that's the quick story of us. And oh, I hear him. Okay, bye. Okay, before she goes down for her nap, I wanted to lay out what she was gonna wear so that I'm not gonna have her sleep in it, but I just wanted to be ready to go so that we can get dressed and get to the game watch. All of her like cute Texas, like actual Texas branded stuff is just gotten a little too small. That the stuff we bought for the season that fit her at the beginning of the season, she has one thing that kind of fits, but it's short sleeve, and so it's just like it's kind of too cold for that at this point, which is ironic because last year at the Big 12 championship she didn't wear Texas branded stuff either because she'd grown out of that too. So this is what we've got. We've got some white leggings and this burnt orange top, Old Navy. These are both Old Navy. But I also wanted to share, this was a hack. I think I saw it on Instagram or who knows where, but that when I was talking the other day about having outfits already paired together, like I already had these paired together knowing that it was perfect for a Texas game, but the way that I hang it in her closet are these little like shower hooks. I will link these ones that I bought. So it just hangs in her closet like this, and it's just absolutely perfect. So that is going to be her outfit. She doesn't have any clothes on. So yeah, you're just going to only get to listen to her. I don't know that we'll have time to show an outfit before we leave because we're going to be in a little bit of a rush because the game starts at 3, but I'm sure there will be other clips later. My hair's kind of chaotic after playing, like rolling on the floor and doing things. So Lila's down for her nap. There's a lot of things I'm going to try to squeeze in before she gets up and we go to the game watch. I have to get ready. I have to pack up our stuff. Those are the things that have to happen. So I'm going to go in order of priority. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to pack up first because that'll make me feel better. Then I'm going to get myself ready. Then I do want to / need to fold the laundry, but my amazing editor already got tomorrow's video done. And so I think I will feel so much better going into tonight and tomorrow if I get that video prepped and ready to go. So I think then the next step is refill that cup of tea and get tomorrow's video prepped and ready to go. Then, time pending, fold the laundry. That's gonna be the order of operations. We're gonna see, I'm gonna just move as quickly as possible. We're gonna see what all I get done before we head out. Like I said, the only things that have to happen is that I get us packed up and I get ready to go. So here we go. Okay, I'm ready to go. Sam actually just left to go get seats. I should have muted the football in the background. I'm getting a little nervous, y'all, so I'm not talking as hard. We were watching the Big 12 championship game while we were both working, and it very, very quickly got out of hand. Like, it was not a game. So he went ahead and left to go get seats. They do a reserved section, like you can pay for a VIP ticket to get into a reserved section, and the cost of the ticket goes to the scholarship, the Chicago Texas Scholarship Fund. And so we do that, so we're for sure guaranteed space, but we still want to pick a better table. And my brother and sister are also coming. I think my sister's coming. TBD on that. My brother is for sure coming. Anyway, so I sent Sam to go get, like, Lila's still asleep. It's the moral of the story. She's still sleeping, and so I sent Sam to go, of course, she's sleeping. Didn't this happen earlier in Vlogmas? Was like the day when we were going to get a Christmas tree. I was like, ma'am, like, we've got places to go, and of course now you want to sleep and have a nice long nap. So Sam's going to get a table. We're going to let Lila sleep a little bit longer, and then her and I are going to head up in a little bit. I'm getting really antsy, y'all. I did not get to the laundry, but I did get lots of work done. I responded to comments and stuff too, so that feels good. Here we go. Okay, getting out of the house was a little bit chaotic, but the littlest Longhorn and I are on our way, and Sam got a table, so we're all good. The next handful of clips, including this one, are going to be on my phone because I'm not taking the camera with me. It's enough stuff to take without worrying about keeping track of the camera. So I think we've determined the phone clips, quality-wise, are just as good. Sound-wise, debatable, but uploadability, way more difficult. But for the handful of clips I'll gather while we're out, it'll be perfect. We are here, Squishy! All right, it is a lot later. Lila just went to bed. They did not win, unfortunately. They took it to overtime, but they did not win. It was just not a clean game. There was a lot of dropped passes, missed field goals. They weren't playing at their best, so they don't deserve to win a SEC championship if they can't play at their best. So the good news is the Longhorns will still make the playoffs. and they'll find out where they're ranked tomorrow. The bad news is that they will have to play the first round. And the extra layer of bad news on that is that most of the first round games, 3 of the 4, are Saturday the 21st, which is when my family's planning to celebrate Christmas. And like, we have the whole day, and we'll do some of the things. If you've watched the December daily flip throughs, like we do some of the same things. We obviously open presents. We do like a cocktail making competition, and then we like to play games. But there's also gonna have to be some football on. Hopefully, I'm just off, all the fingers crossed. I couldn't find it on the internet that Texas gets the Friday night game. There's 1 Friday night game and then 3 on Saturday. Would love that Friday night game. That would be fantastic. But we had fun at the game watch party. Both my brother and sister came out. Lila, every time they cheered, Lila would cheer with them and clap, and it was just the cutest thing. And we just had a really good time. So you know what? They lost, but it is what it is. We're gonna move on with our lives. I mean, don't get me wrong, y'all. I love sports. If you've been around, I love sports. Huge Longhorn fan, huge Cowboys fan, huge Spurs fan. But at the end of the day, it's just sports. Like, it's just sports. So I am now debating. I really want to go to bed, but I also really want to watch the Big Ten championship game. But I also want to go to bed. I know I want to go to bed at a reasonable time. I mean, I stayed up last weekend because it was our game, but this one's also a championship. I don't know. I think I'm going to start on the couch. I'm going to make a cup of tea, not any from the advent calendar because I'm not having caffeine. So I'm going to make a cup of not caffeinated tea. And then I'm going to sit on the couch. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to like get up and do things during commercials and stuff, like come fold the laundry and like clean up and do things so that I like, to me, I know I said this in the last vlog, right? Not the last vlog, the very first vlog of Vlogmas, last Sunday's vlog. This month, or at least the next 2 weeks, Sunday is a work day for me. Tomorrow's a work day. I'm going to set an alarm. I'm going to make sure I get up before Lila. I'm going to get things going. I'm going to do, like, tomorrow is a work day. We do have something fun in the afternoon afterwards, but the first part of the day is a work day. So I'm not, like, to me, it feels like tonight's Sunday night, and I want our house to be, like, in good shape and all those things. Okay. This has turned into a very rambly outro. Although, if you also, I know some of you watch the Braun family's vlogs on Vlogmas too. I see some of you in the comments over there. They always end their vlogs with like a really chatty video at the end of it. Like there will be like a 30-minute vlog and 15 minutes of it is them chatting at the end. And I'm like, okay, that feels not like a vlog. But anyways, now I'm only getting rambly. It's been 4 minutes. Go do something, Laken, whether it's sit on the couch or go to bed. So if you made it to the end of this video, comment below with a football emoji. Obviously you saw that coming, right? Me too. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals and every day here during Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Charley, I debated for 1 second because Charley just came in here and I was like, do I give her one of her advent calendars? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, sweet girl. Would you like some advent calendar? Would you like something in here? What day are we on for you? Are we on 5? 5 for kitties? Whoa, look at this one. It's like a spring with a feather. Wanna play? Ooh, she likes that one. I think she likes the feather. Okay, now for real, goodbye. Let me try that again. Let me not say that. Okay, I don't want to say that either. Let me try this one more time. Let me start over. Sorry. Actually, let me start again. Actually, I'm gonna actually start this whole clip over. Are you sick of that yet?